Welcome to Railways HMIS training videos. In this video, we are going to explain about HMIS mobile app for patients. This video covers two aspects. In the first part, we will explain about the installation of the app and the registration process. In the second part, we will explain about the features and functionalities available in the app. In the first part, we will cover following 6 topics. How to search and install the app from App Store. Second, how to register in the app. Third, how to log in the app. Fourth, how each card holder can separately log in the app. Fifth, how to switch from one user to another user in the app. Sixth, how to exit and log out from the app. Now we'll come one by one. This part is explained in 6 simple steps. Step 1. Open the App Store either on Android app platform or iOS platform. Step 2. Search the app name as Railways HMIS, and then after selecting the correct app with correct name and logo, please download and install the app. Step 3. Enter Umeed number and click on patient login. Registration will be based on Umeed number. If Umeed number is not generated so far, the user needs to generate the same in Umeed portal. Step 4. Enter OTP for completion of registration. OTP will come on the registered mobile number attached to the Umeed number. Step 5 is about selecting the specific user or switching from one user to another user for initiating transactions. We need to understand 2 possible scenarios to understand this feature. Scenario 1. If some of the family members registered with the same mobile number, then the user can see all such members' details in the app. So the service can be availed for any of the attached member. For example, an employee can view and download medical records for children or senior citizens, etc. on their behalf because they might need digital assistance. In this case, the user can switch from one user to another user easily for viewing profile and records. Scenario 2. HMIS app facilitates independent login for each cardholder. It means any of the family members of the employees or pensioners also can log in individually in the app. For this, the family members whose mobile numbers are not registered in Umeed, they also can log in with the OTP from the mobile number of primary cardholder. This is explained with the illustrations. Step 6. Lastly, please click on logout icon for exit or logout from the app. It may be noted that the patient can exit the app without logging out. In this case, no further OTP is required when the app is opened next time. But if the user logs out, then the fresh OTP is required for login, and the OTP will come on the registered mobile number attached to Umeed number. This is all about the part 1. Now we'll come to the part 2 of the video. Here we will explain following 5 topics. Topic 1. What are the available features in the current version of the app? Second, how to view OPD registration slips. Third, how to view OPD doctor prescription. 4. How to view lab reports. 5. How to share and download reports. First, the current version of the app contains the following 3 functionalities. 1. View and download OPD registration slip. Second, view and download OPD doctor prescription. Third, view and download lab reports. Please note that the additional features are going to be released gradually in phases. Now, the second part is explained in the form of following 4 simple functionalities. Functionality 1 is about how to view and download OPD registration slip. Firstly, patient has to select queue number slip option to view the slips that are generated after the patient has registered in the hospital for OPD consultation. Now all the slips concerned to the patient will be displayed date-wise and specialty-wise. When the patient selects the specific slip, it will display the information of room number, queue number, etc., which will help the patient to identify and reach the correct facility in the hospital. Functionality 2 is about how to view and download OPD doctor prescription. Firstly, patient has to select prescription view option to view the prescriptions generated by the doctor after OPD consultation. Now, all the prescriptions concerned to the patient will be displayed date-wise and specialty-wise. When patient selects the specific prescription, it will display the information of medicines, investigations, etc. advised by the doctor. Functionality 3 is about how to view and download lab reports. Firstly, patient has to select lab report view option to view the investigation reports generated after the tests were conducted in the hospital. Now, all the reports concerned to the patient will be displayed date-wise and test-wise. When patient selects the specific test, it will display the report containing the information of test name, parameters, and the results. Functionality 4 is about how to view, share, and download reports. Whenever the patient selects any specific report, be it of registration slip, prescription, or lab report, it will display the details in the app. After that, the patient has to click on the sharing icon at the top right side of the screen, which will show various options for sharing as well as downloading to the local device. This is all about the first version of the HMIS Patient app. Thank you.